Guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, today in this video we're gonna watch how we can apply for one-time top up to the Canada Housing Benefit. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Guys, this benefit one time, of course, is eligible for eligible renters in Canada in order to pay the cost. Well, a lot of people have this opinion that this is not sufficient, and I think it is not sufficient. But something is better than nothing, right? Because people are really struggling to pay their expenses in this high inflation. In front of you, I have opened the official page of Canada Housing Benefit. First, we will see the eligibility. Like you need to click on the checkboxes, all the checkboxes. I mean, you need to fall into that. You were born on or before, okay, December 1, 2007. Your principal residence was Canada in December 1, 2022. You were a resident of Canada in 2022 for tax purposes. You filed your income tax return statement and okay, so this is for both spouse. If you didn't file, okay, still there are some criteria. In 2021, you had an adjustment family net income of 35,000 or less for families, 20,000 or less for individuals. So basically this is for lower income families. The 2022 eligible rent that you paid was this year, and the criteria at least 30% of your 2021 adjustable family income. Okay. So if you click on that, you may be eligible for one-time payment of 500. Okay. And you cannot uh, make any claim or application on behalf of someone else. You need to do it for yourself. So once you are ready to apply, you have all the receipts. Get ready to apply. Have you filed your income taxes? Select yes. It's that part. Like you need to enter based on your case. Gather your information. Like with this, they will find out like if you are actually eligible or not. Do you have a My CRA account? So you can go and directly apply on your My CRA account. But let's see if you don't have, what can you do? Then you can apply through My Service Canada account also. Okay. So at least one of these you should have, because this will make your process easier. Go to how to apply. So the deadline is approaching. So make it, and you can log in into My CRA account and do. And also, if you cannot do it online, you can do by phone as well. Okay. And you can also apply through this online application form. Let's say this online application. The CRA account, information checklist. You need all this information. So rental property information. Yes. Total amount of rent that you paid, rental property information. Let me see if I can go to the next tab and show you. No, I need to. Yes. I'll just put some sample values. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Okay, but I don't want to go into that place because I don't want to put some trouble in you. But anyway, one step will be the confirmation. Second place, the final step 4 would be probably confirmation screen. Then they will ask all the other information that we have seen in the previous screen. So you got the idea. Even if you don't have a CRA or my service Canada account, how you can apply online. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.